How to enable or disable TalkBack sound feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here. So click on accessibility. Now here, so click on TalkBack. So after click on TalkBack, click on settings. So now in TalkBack settings, click on sound and vibration. So after click on sound and vibration, so you will see first option is sound feedback. So if you want to disable sound feedback, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see sound feedback is disabled. So if you want to enable sound feedback, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see sound feedback is turn on and enable. So you will enable or disable sound feedback from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable talkback sound feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.